Hey ladies, so welcome back to my channel. Today is day 2 of the Girl Boss series, and I'm going to be explaining to you guys my different streams of income. So if that's something that you want to know, stay tuned. Channel, I am a personal trainer and a fitness content creator. However, I do have this Girl Boss series going on, explaining to you guys the different ways that I make money, how I became an entrepreneur, giving you guys some tips and tricks on what I do in my business, okay? So today is day 2. This is going to be different streams of income. Currently right now, I have 6 different streams of income.
Oh my God! Wow!
You know, if you ever read like any type of business book or anything like that, they always suggest you to have 7 different streams. So currently right now, it's only 6. So I'm working on adding in that last stream, but I'm gonna be showing you guys what it is that I do and how I make money from my business. So we're gonna be starting from the stream of income that's bringing me the most money down to the least money. So my first stream of income that's probably bringing in about maybe 65% of my income is my coaching program, my one-on-one fitness coaching program. So I have a program called Total Body Transformation, which pretty much is a virtual fitness coaching program. I've been doing this since full time. I've been doing this since 2019. The summer of 2019 is when I first started this business, and it has pretty much taken over all my other streams. So I've just been focusing heavily on that. So what I do is I am a virtual health coach. So pretty much I'm a personal trainer, but online. I've never met any of my clients in person, but I'm still able to help them achieve their health goals and fitness goals. So right now, the coaching program is like a subscription, but it's more of a high-end subscription. So, you know, pretty much it's about the same price as having a personal trainer in the gym, but you get so much more. So if you want to learn more about that, you can go to my website, but this is not what this video is about, okay? But I'm just explaining to you guys, this is what I do, okay? And I'll try to put some photos over here of like, kind of like what I do and some screenshots and stuff like that. So that's the stream of income that's bringing in the most amount of money. And I really don't have a whole lot of clients in there. I really keep it maybe 20, 25 people at a time. This is not a group that I just load up. This is a group that I, really spend a lot of time with them. So I can't really have like 100 people in the group, but it's still my biggest source of income. So number 2 is my fitness challenges. So most of you guys met me through a fitness challenge. I used to do 21-day keto challenges that were paid challenges. And that is like my second biggest stream of income. Usually when I do a challenge that month, I can probably pull in between 7 to 10K. Depending on how big, how I'm promoting it, the season, the weather. But pretty much I always can count on my challenges to bring in a really good chunk of change. And I really only do my challenges about 4 times a year. So the way that I make money from my challenges is, first of all, you pay a price to join the challenge. My last challenge, I believe it was about $37 just to enter the 21-day challenge. And with that $37, they got a meal plan, they got daily workouts, there was an accountability group, and you also got one coach, well actually it was like 1 or 2 group coaching calls with me, to where we all like 4 or 5 girls at a time would get on Zoom with me. Hey, 21-day challenge, and get to ask me questions about health and fitness and things like that. Typically when I do a challenge, I bring in I usually have like 100+ girls in the challenge at a time. But another thing that I do in my challenges is I actually have upsells. So like for instance, if you join my challenge and you pay the $37, what happens is after you pay that $37, it'll say, hey, why don't you add on this to your order? And typically it'll be one of my ebooks, custom macros, things like that. So what happens is it takes that $37 that they just spent to now they spending upwards of like maybe $100 because of all the add-ons that they can add. But when you join the challenge, you get a lot of stuff. This is just stuff they can add on to enhance the effect of the challenge. You can add on things like I can do your macros for you. If you want my keto beginner's guide, things like that. Typically the add-ons are all digital products. So yeah, that is number 2 of my streams of income. So number 3 is the sale of my ebooks. So the ebooks is kind of along with the challenges, but throughout the year, even when I'm not doing a challenge, my ebooks are always on sale. So my ebooks are always, you know, typically bringing me in a little bit of money here and there. Sometimes I'll market them and I'll say, hey, there's a sale going on. I'll drop the price and I'll get a whole bunch of folks buying it. But yeah, my ebooks right now can range from $37 down to $15. So, you know, when I really feel like marketing it, like when I want to really post about it, I bring in a considerable amount of income. But for the most part, I just kind of leave it on my page, and it's there if you guys want to buy it. The website is always there if you guys want to buy it, and they'll trickle in. Like I'll get like 1 or 2 a day, or maybe sometimes none a day. But when I'm like really marketing it, like posting on my Instagram, posting on my stories, I have a sale going on, I can bring in about $100 a day sometimes from just the sale of the ebooks.
Oh my God! Wow!
Number 4 is brand deals. So you guys know I'm an influencer. Like, yeah, I'm a personal trainer, and like that is like the main thing. I'm a personal trainer, I'm a fitness coach. However, you know, I do have an audience on social media, and I've taken the time and money to grow my audience. So companies do pay me to get in front of my audience. And just FYI, I do not promote products that I do not recommend or have never used. But every now and then, a company will reach out to me and they will want to either pay me to do a sponsored post, they'll pay me to do a TikTok, they'll pay me to do a YouTube video or Instagram story. Now, I don't get like a whole bunch of these, and I really want to get more. This year I'm focusing on getting more brand deals because I just really love making content. It's really fun. Yeah, I really love making content, so I really want to focus more on getting brand deals. But right now, you know, it's kind of like here and there. Like some months I get a couple, some months I don't. But you know, it's still a really good chunk of change every now and then. You know, a couple $100 to make a YouTube video. But here's the thing though that a lot of folks don't understand, and this is why, like for influencers, it's really hard sometimes to make money, because these companies will try to get you. They will try to get you to do it for free. They'll try to get you to do it for free product. And sometimes in the beginning, we think that, oh wow, it's an honor to do this for this company. I'm gonna do it for free. And you do all this work for free. And that was me too. In the beginning, I didn't know the value that I put into, you know, and I was doing a lot of stuff for free or just exposure. You know, but you have to understand, especially if you have a very targeted audience like I do, I took the time and money to grow a very, very targeted audience. I know my target audience down to what clothes they wear. You know what I'm saying? And if you have a business and you've grown this audience, if another business wants to get in front of your audience to sell their products, they need to pay. Now, the amount to pay or ask for is so like, there's so many different ways to calculate how much to pay. It depends on your subscribers, your engagement rate, the quality of your work, the time that it takes to put. Like some influencers, like these bigger influencers, companies like Savage X Fenty, they'll actually pay the influencer money on top of their actual payment to pay for photographers, to pay for Airbnbs, to pay for travel. So it's not just paying for the video. And also you have to understand that you should pay for your time as well. So if it's gonna take me 2-3 hours to film this video, whatever video you want, and I have to edit it, you gotta pay for that too. So, and like, I didn't learn this till later on, you know, like literally like maybe last year is when I got up to game on like influencer and how to like really be a businesswoman, an influencer, and that these companies need to pay to get in front of your audience. Like, trust me, if you took the time to grow your social media to the point where companies want to get in front of your audience, they know your value, but they will try not to pay you. So just keep it. There's a book that I recommend. It's by a woman called Brittany Hennessy. I think it's called Influencers or something. It's just called Influencer or something like that. But it's by Brittany Hennessy. It's a really good book, and it'll explain from head to toe what you need to do to pitch the brands, how much you should charge, all of that. So I suggest if you are an influencer out there, read that book, okay? Moving on. The 5th stream of income that I have is from affiliate commissions. So affiliate commissions is when companies will pay me a percentage when I when someone uses my discount code or my link. So currently right now, I am an affiliate for maybe I want to say 3 or 4 different companies. And these products that I use on a regular basis and that I recommend to my clients as well as my audience. So right now I'm an affiliate with KRATE, Gully, Magic Spoon cereal. Yeah, but those are like my main ones. And I'm also an Amazon affiliate as well. So ladies, if you are on YouTube making YouTube reviews and you're not on Amazon affiliates, girl, you're missing out on some money. Now I'm not gonna lie, Amazon affiliates don't pay out a whole lot. Like between all of my social media that I post about Amazon stuff, I used to make like $100-something a month from Amazon affiliates, but Amazon actually slashed their affiliate commissions like in half.
No, God, please, no, 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 no!
At one point in time, like maybe like a year ago, they literally slashed their affiliates, so it went down to like maybe $50 to even $30 a month. Some months are good, some months like now my audience has been growing a lot lately. So actually I think last month I did like $100 on Amazon affiliates, but if they hadn't slashed the prices, I could have made like $200-300 from Amazon. But I usually get some form of money from Amazon every month between $30 to $100. It just depends. What I started doing is I started doing TikTok Amazon reviews, and that has actually brought my traffic to my Amazon page up a lot. So like I said, if you're an influencer and you're buying stuff off of Amazon, you need to be the Amazon influencer. Also, there's another website that you can do like stuff like that, Magic Links. Magic Links, you can make affiliate links from like stuff from Sephora and things like that. I technically am a Magic Links affiliate, but I don't really post their links anymore. I just kind of stick to Amazon because I don't like to send my clients everywhere. And a good thing with Amazon that people don't know, Amazon affiliates, so like say I recommend some leggings, right? The leggings that I have on right now, they are from Amazon. So let's say I say, hey guys, these Amazon leggings are super cute. You should go buy it, click the link, right? So I link the leggings. But let's say you buy the leggings, let's say you click the leggings, you add them to your cart, but you have a whole bunch of other stuff in your cart too. If you checked out within 24 hours, it doesn't matter what you have in your cart. If you click my affiliate link last and then you checked out, I get a percentage of everything you bought. And that is like, a lot of people don't know that. So here's the thing, just getting people to click your link, you're gonna make money from Amazon. I've made money from people buying stuff that I never ever recommended. Like somebody bought a whole stereo set for like $2,000 on Amazon, and I had like got $20 or so just from that. It's only like 1%. Like they really slashed it. I'm so mad. They slashed the Amazon affiliates. I probably made like, I think I made 1% off of that $2,000 stereo set. So yeah, I wasn't too happy about that. But you know, I'm gonna buy stuff off of Amazon anyway, and Amazon videos do very well on my channel, so I continue to do them. Plus, when I buy the stuff off of Amazon, I can write it off on my taxes if I do a video. So everything I buy, all the clothes that I buy off Amazon, or anything that I make a review, I can write it off on my taxes. But yeah guys, so affiliate commissions is they vary, you know, because some companies pay me a flat rate per item. Some company pay me a percentage, like 5%, 10%, 20%. It just depends on the company. Like my biggest affiliate payment that I get right now is from KetoCrate. So that's like the biggest one. And then I think second will be like Gully Gummies. Yeah, so if you want Gully Gummies or KetoCrate, Magic Spoon cereal, link in bio. So the last stream of income that I'm gonna talk about is YouTube AdSense. And I know you heard this before, like a lot of people think they're gonna get on YouTube and make all this money from AdSense. AdSense really should be your smallest, it should be your smallest income. If AdSense is your biggest income, either one, you're Mr. Beast. You're Mr. Beast or PewDiePie. Or two, you're not utilizing your audience well. You're not utilizing your platform well. Now, I'm not saying you gotta sell your audience on everything, but if here's the thing, here's what I say. I have a big audience, and if I'm using something that I use on a regular basis, wouldn't you tell your audience about that product? If it's something I love, because I'm gonna tell my friends, you know, I'm gonna tell them, hey girl, this makeup was this bomb, or this pre-workout is bomb, this protein powder is bomb. If I'm telling my friends, why wouldn't I tell my audience? And if I'm gonna tell my audience, somebody gonna have to pay me. You know what I'm saying? Now, I'm not the type of person that's like selling all the time. Like, I give so much value on my platform that people don't even mind that I be posting affiliate links, because they know I give so much stuff away for free. But anyway, YouTube AdSense. You're not gonna make that much money from YouTube AdSense, especially at first. So right now, currently, I have 2 YouTube channels, this channel and I have a fitness channel. My fitness channel is not monetized yet. I just started that channel late last year. I do not have 400,000 views. I do have over 1,000 subscribers, it's not the views. This channel has been monetized. It was monetized and then demonetized when YouTube changed their monetization rules. Then I got back monetized early last year, I believe, or maybe it was 2019. But currently right now, I'm averaging about $100 a month from YouTube AdSense. That's it. Now, my videos don't get like crazy views. Like, I don't have a video like most people who I feel like have 10,000 or so subscribers on YouTube, because I have about almost 10,000 subscribers right now on this channel. Most people who have, I feel like 10,000, they're getting more views on their videos than me, so they might be making more money. But typically on my channel, I'm averaging maybe I'm averaging like $100 a month from YouTube AdSense, and I'm very grateful for that. I'm not complaining at all. Thank you, YouTube AdSense, for that $100 a month.
Thank you, Jesus!
Go right in my gas tank. But yeah, I don't make a whole lot of money from YouTube AdSense, so I don't do this for YouTube AdSense money at all. Like, a lot of people, like, you know, I feel like I put so much time and effort into my channel, and yeah, I don't do it for YouTube AdSense at all. I do it because I love to do it, and also it brings in other streams of income. It helps me grow my business. It helps me get in front of clients, so that is why I do YouTube. But I'm definitely not doing it for the YouTube AdSense, at least not right now, because yeah, $100 a month, I eat more. I order DoorDash and I'll spend $100, so. But I'm grateful for that $100, thank you, YouTube. Anyways, guys, that is all of my streams of income, all 6 streams of income. Hope I helped you guys out. I hope that I gave you guys some ideas, especially when it comes to do this influencer YouTuber thing. Like, don't just be thinking about AdSense. Think about creating an audience, thinking about creating a niche, because once you have a niche, companies will reach out to you because they know that, you know, like, for instance, like, I'm a fitness influencer, so companies that are fitness, they know they can my audience will be receptive to that. Now, if I came out with if a company tried to hit me up about, I don't know, knitting, I don't knit. Nobody in my audience probably knits, you know. But someone who has a whole channel about knitting or crochet or whatever, companies can hit them up. Maybe they can even do a sponsorship with Michaels. You never know. So you have to really niche down to be able to ask for sponsorships and pitch brands and ask for, you know, that type of pay. You have to niche down, or you have to prove to them that your audience will be receptive to that product. Anyways, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. There will be more videos to come on the Girl Boss series, so stay tuned. Bye, guys.